friends,
I'm Ru.
I'm Vic.
This is our third German lesson, Schule und Schulesachen.
Let's begin. This is part 3.
Yes, this is part 3 of Lektion3, Schule und Schulesachen. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 already, do watch it because they are very important to understand the basic concepts of this chapter. As you already know that in German we have different genders. Different words have different genders, so we have to learn them. Last time we learned about masculine words, today we will be learning about neutral words. So let's begin. Do watch part 1 or part 2 if you do not understand this. Neutrum. Das/ein Neutrum. Das ist ein Buch. I'll say this again as I said in the last video that das ist here is that is, not the is. A book. Ein means a, so das ist ein Buch. Now we know the article of book. It is das Buch. Next, das ist ein Heft. Heft means notebook and book means book. Das ist ein Heft. That is a notebook. Das ist ein Lineal. That is a ruler.
Next, das ist ein Bild.
Bild is photo. That is a photo. Das ist ein Fenster. Fenster is window. That is a window. Das ist ein Auto. Auto is car. That is a car.
Moving forward,
Das ist ein Klassenzimmer. Klassenzimmer is classroom. That is a classroom. Das ist ein Mäppchen. Mäppchen is pouch. That is a pouch. Das ist ein Papier. Papier is paper. That is a paper. So now we know the article of these words. Buch, das Buch. Das Heft. Das Lineal. Das Bild. Das Fenster. Das Auto. Das Klassenzimmer. Das Mäppchen. Das Papier. You might have noticed that many of the words that we have used in this chapter overall have already been learnt by us from chapter 1 and chapter 2. So, you must be knowing the meaning of many of these words. For example, book. We know that book means book. We also learn the plural form of it, Bücher. This will help us to build our vocabulary and always remember to remember these words or learn these words along with the article because it will be much easier for you. For example, das Heft. Since this topic has come up, always remember that there are different the for the same word in their singular form and plural form. In plural, it will always be the. For example, it will be das Buch, but die Bücher, because it is plural. Remember, we learnt masculine, feminine, neutral and plural. So that is where plural comes into play. Even the same goes for Heft. Das Heft, but die Hefte. Now let's learn feminine words. Die or eine, feminine. Das ist eine Schule. That is a school. Das ist eine Tafel. Tafel is blackboard. Das ist eine Tasche. Tasche means bag. That is a bag. Das ist eine Tür. Tür is door. Das ist eine Uhr. Uhr is clock or watch. That is a clock or watch. Das ist eine Landkarte. Landkarte is map. That is a map. Das ist eine Flasche. Flasche is bottle. That is a bottle. Das ist eine Farbe. Farbe is color. That is a color. Das ist eine Schere. Schere is scissors. Now we know that these words are feminine. Die Schule, die Tafel, die Tasche, die Tür, die Uhr, die Landkarte, die Flasche, die Farbe, die Schere. Also, you might remember in Lektion3, Mein Geburtstag Part 3, when we had learned singular and plural forms of words, there was a question. Why it is eine Uhr and ein Buch? What is the difference? So now you know the difference that Buch is neutral and Uhr is feminine. That is why it is ein Buch und eine Uhr.
This is part 3. Stay tuned for part 4 as we don't want the video to be too long. So that's it for this video. See you all next time. Bye.